Welcome back to Edexcel biology paper class. We can continue the same question, and next question is we have to calculate the standard deviation for this data. So here we need to calculate standard deviation for 2.5% of sodium chloride solution. Okay, the question is standard deviation can be calculated using the formula shown. This formula is given. You don't want to remember the formula. Calculate the standard deviation for 2.5% sodium chloride solution. Okay, before we try to calculate the standard deviation, we try to understand what is the standard deviation. I take these numbers 2, 4, 6, 4. So these numbers are the data taken from an experiment. So I have these readings, repeat 1, repeat 2, repeat 3 and repeat 4. Now what I do, I am going to calculate the mean value. So how I calculate mean value? Sum of all the data, that is 2, 4, 6, 4 divided by number of data. Here we can get number of data 4. Sum of the data is 16 divided by 4, mean value is 4. Now I'm going to show this mean value in this graph. Here is 0, here is 4, here is 2, 1, 3, 5, 6. If I want to show the mean value, this is the mean value. So I plot the graph based on the mean value. Now I want to show other data on the same graph. I use the range bar. Range bar is the minimum data and maximum data, the difference between minimum and the maximum data. So here is 2 and here is 6, and this is called range bar. So this is the easiest way to show the variability, but we are going to do a more scientific way by showing the standard deviation. So we calculate the standard deviation using the formula. Then after that we can show these variations like this. So standard deviation has one number, it is plus or minus 1. In this case, it is the same amount here and same amount here. So this number we are going to calculate using the formula. So standard deviation is variability of the data around its mean value. Okay, let's calculate. Standard deviation equal sigma x minus x bar squared divided by n minus 1 root. Okay, x is the data number, value of the data, x bar is the mean value, n is the sample number. So I can write the numbers now. 3.2 minus 4.6 is the mean squared plus 4.7 minus 4.6 squared plus 5.8 minus 4.6 squared divided by this experiment repeated 3 times. So then 3 minus 1. Here is 1.4 minus squared plus 0.1 squared plus 1.2 squared divided by 2. Here 1.96 plus 0.01 plus 1.44 divided by 2 squared. Okay, if I add these all numbers, I get 4, 1, 3.41. divided by 2 square. So 3.41 divided by 2 is 1.7. 3.41 divided by 2, 1.705, and root of this number. Okay, then I'm going to calculate the standard deviation. 1.705, 1.30. Okay, this is the standard value, standard deviation, and the mean value is 4.6, and I can show 1.3 up, 1.3 down. If I write in number, plus or minus 1.30. Right, so we continue next part of the questions.